am thirsty now. I am thirsty now. I am feeling strong. I am feeling strong. I am feeling confident. I am feeling confident. I drink lemon juice. I drink lemon juice. I am not late today. I am not late today. I will be done soon. I will be done soon. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. She is looking tired. She is looking tired. The artist draws a beautiful picture. The artist draws a beautiful picture. We clean the house every Sunday. We clean the house every Sunday. He holds the umbrella for her. He holds the umbrella for her. I am ready to go. I am ready to go. Please close the door gently. Please close the door gently. I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. She is waiting for you. She is waiting for you. We are having dinner now. We are having dinner now. He is very polite. He is very polite. I forgot my wallet today. I forgot my wallet today. Turn off the lights, please. Turn off the lights, please. I like your new bag. She is cooking lunch. She is cooking lunch. We are going outside. We are going outside. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. Please sit down here. Please sit down here. I am learning English. I am learning English. She speaks very softly. She speaks very softly. He is fixing the chair. He is fixing the chair. I feel much better now. I feel much better now.